Looking for the best oscillating tools to tackle your DIY or professional projects? In this video, we've rounded up the top picks to help you cut, sand, and grind with precision. Our channel brings you quality product reviews daily so you can make informed decisions with ease. Stay tuned, and if you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more expert recommendations. Number 1. Flex 24V Brushless X4111. If you're looking for the best all-around oscillating multi-tool, I highly recommend you take a close look at the Flex FX4111. In our testing, it had the second best overall performance and is built for the rigors of professional use, yet it costs less than its premium competitors. Plus, it has a StarLock Max interface that makes accessory changes easy. As far as the tool goes, there's not much to complain about unless you're dead set on having a variable speed trigger instead of a power switch. Even though it earned a vibration control rating in the bottom half of the pack, the isolated head design does an excellent job of dampening vibration as you cut. Flex is one of the 8 OMTs we tested with an advanced vibration control system we consider highly effective. As a system, Flex doesn't have as many tools on its 24-volt battery platform as brands like Milwaukee or DeWalt. Still, it's steadily expanding and has a lifetime warranty that includes your batteries. Number 2. Fine 18-volt Multimaster 700 AMM700. In addition to developing StarLock alongside Bosch, Fine previously developed one of the best vibration control systems, and it dominated for years. It has more competition in that category than previously, but it is still in the top tier among all models. Based on our tests, this model's performance is mid-range. Of course, mid-range among the best oscillating multi-tools is still excellent compared to the overall landscape. For ergonomics, this is another model that has a large handle diameter. If your hands are on the small side, you might want to look for something a little slimmer. As far as the 18-volt battery system is concerned, Fine more limited than most premium brands. However, it's part of the AmpShare system, a group of more than 30 brands with cordless tools that work on the same batteries, including Bosch's 18-volt batteries. Number 3. Bosch 18-volt Brushless Go P34N. Bosch partnered with Fine to develop the StarLock interface system, so they certainly deserve a tip of the hat for that. While their latest oscillating multi-tool lags behind a bit in performance, its vibration control is excellent. In general, Bosch's cordless tools are well built for professional use, and the GOP18V34N is no exception. Ergonomically, this model has a wider handle that may challenge users with small hands to find a comfortable grip. Bosch's 18-volt battery platform isn't as extensive as brands like Milwaukee and DeWalt, but it's not as limited as smaller brands. The system covers almost anything a general contractor needs, plus some trade-specific tools, and its Pro Factor line continues to push the limits of what an 18-volt battery can do. Number 4. Makita AT Brushless XM-T04. Sporting a somewhat odd look compared to other models, Makita's XM-T04 proved to be the leader in vibration control in our tests. Whatever dampening magic the design team has going on inside that bulbous head is incredibly effective. This model includes a StarLock interface as part of the design. It's different from others in that it has a tool-free pin that adds a step in accessory changes, so it's not quite as fast as other StarLock models, even though it's still highly convenient. While its performance was in the bottom half among competitors, it is significantly better than Makita's previous model. With such low vibration, many pros will be happy to take a little more time on cuts to gain the higher comfort that comes with it. Makita's 18-volt LXT battery system is one of the largest available. From core contractor tools to trade-specific solutions, it includes an extensive array of tools. Number 5.
Skil PWRCore 12 Brushless OS 592702. Skil's PWRCore 12 Oscillating Multi-Tool is a solid value if you're looking for a brushless package on a budget. For just under $100, you get a brushless tool with a 2.0 Ah battery, an upgraded pre-jump charger, and a nice blade/sanding set to get you started. Even though it doesn't have the strength of the PWRCore 20 brushless model, the price is right, and it's a lighter package than most of the 18 volts/20 volts max models. You can spend more and get a more powerful model with less vibration. However, the Skill OS 592702 strikes a nice balance of performance, weight, and price. This is an easy choice for those looking to pick up a tool for repairs and weekend projects. While I greatly prefer cordless oscillating multi-tools, I certainly acknowledge that corded models still play a huge role in this tool class. If corded is what you're after, there isn't a more capable and versatile oscillating multi-tool than the fine Multimaster MM700 series.